Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Children, I welcome you all to this session of GK. And we are on to something very, very interesting. It's about scientists, and this world is full of some wonderful, wonderful scientists. And we are really proud of being born on this earth on which these great people have been here. Here are some famous scientists in the world who have brightened the world with their intelligence, hard work, and belief. Right, and there's some description. The picture is there, you have to identify them. And we begin with the first one. He has been the chairman of ISRO. He was awarded Padma Vibhushan in 2009. Right, you would have seen him in that movie Mangalyaan. There was a character like him, and he is none other than the great G Madhavan Nair. Right, one of the minds behind Indian space programs. Now the second picture. This scientist brought green revolution in India, Harit Kranti, right? He is M.S. Swaminathan, right? He is M.S. Swaminathan. And the next picture is perhaps is of a person who is regarded as the father of all the scientists, the greatest, one of the greatest scientists ever born on this earth. He discovered the laws of motion and universal gravitation, and this is that great man's picture, right? And he is Sir Isaac Newton, right? He is Sir Isaac Newton. And very basically, next picture to him is of somebody who was contemporary, who was, and he defied many of the laws of Newton. Right? He received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on photoelectric effect. More than that, he also gave the theory of relativity. And he is the person who made the world believe that time is an illusion. There is nothing in this world which actually exists as time, right? Time is an illusion. And he is, see this man here with long hairs, right? He is Albert Einstein, right? Albert Einstein. Next is, he received Nobel Prize for his theory on black holes and white dwarf stars. He also got Padma Vibhushan in 1968, right? And he is S. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, or S. Chandrasekhar. Right? You all know black holes. It is believed that the world, the universe has come into existence from the black hole, and one day the entire universe will move into it. Right? And the next, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics from India. His discovery in the field of light scattering of light or dispersion of light. It is called Raman effect. And yes, from that, his name is evident, is C.V. Raman or Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Right? Next, he was born in Great Britain, who discovered penicillin, the first natural antibiotics. You can call him the father of medicine, right? The father of medicine, right? He is Alexander Fleming, right? Alexander Fleming, right? And the next is the great man here. His invention is thermometer and geometric compass, right? He also improved the telescope. He did not invent the telescope, but he improved it. And yes, he is Galileo, right? So these are the list of some of the greatest scientists the world has ever seen, right? Now we move to another very interesting one, then and now, right? In this, you compare something which existed in this world. I'm not saying it has died out, it's still there, but now it exists in a refined or enhanced form, right? And you have to find it. And see the first one, gramophone. It is was used to listen to songs, and its contemporary now is iPod, right? See children, you can match these two, right? Next is telephone, right? Telephone. And then now we see mobile phone is there. So telephone and mobile phone can be linked. Third is stove. Stove is used for cooking. And now what is used for cooking is an oven. An oven is used. Fourth is postcard. Yeah, used for writing letter. What do we have now? For postcard we have, see, emails. For postcards we have emails. Train. For train what do we have? Now we have metros. Bulb, unified it has now transformed into CFL. Vintage car has now become modern car. And snakes and ladder, right? Snake and ladder had become, yes, you can play ladder now, is now can be changed into video game, or you can say um, yeah, video game. Television has become LED, right? It was so interesting. And now we come to the quiz roundup, right? When did people first watch TV? It was 1924. So put a tick mark here. Who was Bhaskara II? A naturalist or a mathematician? Bhaskara II was a naturalist, right? Okay. Igloos are made of hard blocks of this snow. Igloos are made of snow. The word savanna means treeless plants. Savanna are treeless plains, right? Treeless plains. This book is written by Roald Dahl. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, or Life After Life. It is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The home of termites look like a castle or huts. Yeah, if you will see the Lion King movie, it's there. It looks like a castle. The Bag of Bones is written by, I think it is Stephen King. The hair is made up of which thing? Cavity or keratin? It is keratin. But obviously it is keratin. The Book of Origin of Species is written by Charles Darwin. And which of these are Australian marsupials? It is the kangaroos. The comet orbits around the sun. Who invented photostat? It was Chester Carlson, right? It was Chester Carlson. So I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.